With the count of three, I'll remove this mic and will show you how much sound it catches. So one, two, and three. Hey guys, and welcome back to my new video. I hope everyone's doing absolutely fine, and I'm Divyam and welcome back to my new Tech Tuesday video. So this is the third one in this series. So I've previously unboxed a ring light and a tripod in my first two videos on this channel, wherein I unboxed those things first and then I did a review of the same. So in this one I'll be reviewing and unboxing my Boya mic. So this is Boya mic BY-MM1. So I have been using this mic from a few months, and I have currently also placed it on the front, and I'm shooting it with that mic only. So I wanted to review it, but then I got an idea of this series that you must have been seeing from a long time. Like, I've been doing this for 2 weeks, and you will find those videos links in the description box below or in the above iCards. So if you haven't watched those videos, you can watch the first two videos first and then you can jump onto this one. That's your choice, but I'll be reviewing this mic first, and let's open it first. And I have the unboxing video with me. I unboxed it first, and I'm using this for a few months. If you are on this channel from a few months, you must have already known that. And previously I was using a lavalier mic. So but that when the summer season started, that was catching a lot of sound because of fans, and those mics were like recommended for winter purpose when there was no sound related things around. So I'll be talking more about that in the later part of this video, but first unbox this box. So let's start with the unboxing. So let's have a look on the contents of this box. So the first thing we have is this user manual, followed by a warranty card, and you'll find all the necessary details in that. And this is a shock absorber, wherein which you need to like attach your mic, and it's a decent built and quality, followed by a DSLR cord, and this is used in a DSLR if you are having one. So you can use this one, or either the next one, that is this mobile cord, and that is used in Androids and iPhones, so you can use that one. And this is a carry-on pouch. You can take your mic anywhere else, like carrying it in this. And later, main attraction of this box is this mic, and it's a little heavy mic, and you never feel its weight when you attach it on a tripod or something like that. But let me quickly remove it from its like dead cat and see how it looks without. So here's the mic, and I won't recommend you to like remove it because it's a little tight, as you can see. And here's the mic. So this is the Boya mic, Boya MM1 mic, and this is a very small but a little heavy. And this is the dead cat, and you can see all the contents of this box. So I hope you like the unboxing, and let's review the same. So you have seen what all was there in that box, and it included the cover, warranty cards and all. So that was the complete package that you get for this mic. And like, I won't be able to like go outside and shoot in a noisy environment, but I do have a few vlogs wherein I use this mic. So my Manali vlog series is the one wherein I use this mic for 3 days on that trip, so you can watch those. And in the second video, I would recommend, there's a section of 10 to 15 seconds wherein I didn't use that mic, and you can use that section to see like that, to differentiate whether this mic is worth it or not. Because at that moment I'm just using my one of my friend's phone, and I kept that mic aside, so you can see how much noise this mic is catching, and then you can get a fair idea of the same. So whenever you are not in a noisy environment, this mic helps into like the closest sound that this mic catches is yours, because you're speaking to this mic, and it will catch the other sound as well. But with the inbuilt mic of your phone or your DSLR will catch a more sound. So that helps in that, because I've been using it and I know, because when I was using that lapel mic, and you will find that lapel mic in my next video, because I'll be discussing all my merch, but this video specifically is related to this mic. So when I was using that lapel mic, the fan sound was catching, that mic was catching fan sound, and one of my friends pointed that to me. And from the next time I started using this one, because I purchased this for vlog purpose, but then the lockdown started, we were all inside, and I didn't get a few chances to like shoot many vlogs. So I'm using this in my home, and it's a very great mic, I would say, but you have to speak like a little louder. And I'm using it right now. I hope there are no sounds that are catching by this, but there's a kitchen at the side of me, and I'm shooting this video in the evening, so that noise must be, this mic must be catching that noise. But anyhow, let's see without this mic how much sound it catches, and with the count of 3 I'll remove this mic and will show you how much sound it catches. So 1, 2 and 3. So now I have removed this mic, and I hope some sound is coming, because I've removed this mic, and this mic like cancels a lot of noise around, and you must be hearing my voice a little like louder, because I believe so, because the mic having that like fur thing, what is it called, the cat thingy, yeah, dead cat. So the mic has the dead cat with it, and if you want to use it without dead cat you can, but I haven't removed that mic from the dead cat after purchasing it. I've just removed it once. That too was in that unboxing video, because the rubber around that one, I felt like it'll get loosened and I didn't want it to do that. So I'm using it since then like this only, and I hope my sound is catching. And the fan is like running on second stage, what you call it, on the second speed is on the second, and it goes up to fourth. So whenever I used to like shoot my videos in summer, the mic used to catch a lot of like sound, the previous mic, but I hope this doesn't, because it cancels the noise around. So talking about its specification, so it's a little big mic and it will grab attention wherever you will take this one. And whenever I used to like vlog, it used to capture a lot of attention around, and you must have seen those videos for differentiation, you must have seen already. So this mic used to catch a lot of attention. If you are looking for attention, you can get. And let me just quickly plug in, because I don't know how much sound is it like catching. So 1 second. So again I have added this mic, and I hope it is again like you can differentiate the sound quality in the both of the footages. So that was the mic I'm using from past 4 to 5 months. I think I got this one in February, and that was the winter time, and I wanted to travel at that time, so I got this. So I've been using it, and I haven't like faced a lot of problems, other than I'm using my Redmi Note 8 Pro for like shooting videos, but it was not it was not compatible at first, but then I had to get the small device which have like 2 ports, and now it's working fine. But again, you have to connect your earphones with it, then only it works. But I don't know what's the problem with that, but that's a device problem, not the mic problem. And I have been seeing so many people facing that similar type of problem with Redmi Note 8 Pro. So that was the only thing that I had faced with it, and I would say that the sound that it captures is a little low. You have to speak a little louder, and you have to be like close to the camera and the mic, because it is, if it is too far, then it will not catch like too much of a sound. And I'm speaking it very loud, like loudly, and then at the time of editing I need to like increase the volume a bit, because it's too low sometimes at times when whenever I'm like whispering and I am speaking too low, it doesn't catch too much of a sound. So that was one of the things, and other than that I'm fine with the quality and build. And it's, the mic is a metal quality, and I've been like using, as I've said, for months now. So the price I paid for this one was related to 1300 something, so I'll link the price here, so I'll leave the price here after seeing and checking that one. So if you're looking for a decent mic, you can get this one, and I'm using it, as I've said. So I would definitely recommend it for someone who wants to like shoot vlogs and who lives in a noisy environment. And it catches a lot of noises, but it catches the one that is very close to it. And if you're speaking and there's some other noises around, so it will minimize those, but not like actually like delete those noises, but they'll be there, but your voice will be the loudest one. So if you are using a DSLR, you can easily like plug it up on there, but if you are using a tripod or a decent tripod, you need to get a hot shoe mount, and that will be available on Amazon separately. So you can get those, like it will be around like price around 200 bucks. So you can get those, and you can then tighten it up on your tripod or the vlogging tripod if you are using one. So that is one of the things that I had to purchase with it to work. Other than that, as I've said, I had those splitter
that is for a mic and headphone separately. So other than that, this one works fine, and I didn't get any other thing with it. So one more thing, if you are getting this mic, what you can do is after getting it, you can scratch it over here, and then you can check it if it is authentic or not. So to safeguard from piracy, the barcodes are there, and then you can enter that like digits on Boya's website. So you can follow these step, and you can get to know about its authenticity. So I would recommend you to like check this product after receiving it, if Amazon is sending any like pirated or something like that of a product, so you can get notified about that after entering that digits, that 4 digits. So I think that's 4 digit, or you can scan it over here, so you can check that as well. That was all for this video. I hope you liked it, and I reviewed this here. And if you're looking for a decent vlogging mic, you can get this. And if you're fine with the lapel mic that goes here and that comes to in 200 or 300 price range, you can get those as well. But again, in noisy environment, they are not that good. So that was all for this video, and I hope you liked it. And if you did, you can hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if not done already. There'll be 4 Tech Tuesday videos, and this one most probably will drop like a little late because I got late in shooting this one. But I hope you still like it, and I'm hoping that you are staying safe, staying home, and let's meet and catch up in my next video. And for now, bye bye and bye.